Alright, we are on our way to meet Nate from Nate Built Racing. He's kind of the guru or the go-to guy when it comes to transmissions for Hondas here in Minnesota. So he lives about 40 minutes north of where I live. So I'm gonna go bring him, well actually I'm meeting him at Menards. He needs some supplies at the old Maynards. So bringing him my transmission, and this is why you decided to be a 4-cylinder guy and not a V8 guy. You can fit your trans in your front seat. Can't do that with a V8. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
But we're getting LSD installed. This is a K20 A3, so the base RSX transmission. Supposedly it's a little bit better than the EP3 trans for a boosted K, so that's what we will be running. So an Mfactory LSD is what's going to go in. Same LSD as what I had in my 6-speed trans when I was all motor. So I sold that transmission. Just picked this one up from, his name's PJ. He lives up in Fargo. Super cool guy. Always has spare parts. I don't know how, but almost has everything that randomly I need. He's the one that has it. So he drives down. He drove down from Fargo to like St. Paul area where I work, and met up a bunch of other people that also needed parts from him. So huge shout out to him. So thank you, PJ. Hopefully I don't, shred gears immediately in this thing. So. All right, so far we need to get flywheel and clutch on. We got that here. We got to get turbo manifold all bolted up, and then turbo on that. Before I do that, I'm going to ditch both of these. I don't need a heater core, so then I'm going to have to go inside, take dash off, get heater core out. I think somewhere in here we have, yep. So I believe that one is the thermostat. No, that's at the back of the engine. And then this one's the thermostat. So we got both of those ready to go in. So once those go in, I won't have those hoses there anymore. What else we got? We get valve cover swapped over. So I got that one. I have to order the dash 10 fittings, and then I have to get the hoses. There's a company that just hit me up that has a what do you call it, a catch cans that sits here. So I'll have to get kind of lines made to go to the dash 10s that sit on both sides of that one. What else we got to do? Trans is at in Isani where Nate Built is at. So I'll get that back in a couple days. What else? I need injectors. I need a fuel pump in the back. What else do we need? I'll go to the other side of the car. We also need... Let's not bang that against that. Maybe it can rest. Okay. I have a piece that's going to sit here. It's kind of dark in here. I have a piece that's going to sit in there. It's going to have 3 gauge spots. So I'm going to need a new one of these. As we can tell, it's a little broken. Look at that. But that's not going to sit there anymore. That's kind of ugly. So we're going to clean this up. We're going to get the air to fuel. We're going to get boost, and then we're going to get the oil pressure. So I have 3 gauges I'm going to get. I'm really considering, I don't know if I'm going to need these anymore. The confettis, this is going to be a straight up race car. I'm not going to be much of a street car anymore. I'm going to get those stickers ripped off and kind of represent the companies that I work with versus, first one is Carceps. I mean, obviously there's a couple things on the car that's from Carceps. Four Bangers Production, Hard Race, I'm going to take this off. Ktuned's going to come off. Hasback's going to come off. I at least rock their banner. But I think it's time to switch up some of the stuff that's on the car. So Obviously the big one is going to be Precision. So I got their stickers that are also going to be on the side of the car that sit here. I'm going to start making some channel banners. I don't know if they're going to be really banners. They're probably going to be smaller than that. But I have channel stickers that I'm going to start making. So if anyone is interested in that, we're going to get those made out and start kind of working on that. But that is, I believe that is everything that needs to be done yet before I can get fab all made up, from intercooler to turbo that'll sit roughly here-ish. So hopefully this kind of is okay to sit here. What else? I don't think I can close, so my hood is at the shop that the car's been wrapped at, but I don't think I can close my hood because of this fitting right here, so we're going to try to figure out a new way for that. But that is kind of the update so far with the hatch.